So I've been using the Wells Fargo Reflect Card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Wells Fargo Reflect Card. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Wells Fargo Reflect Card. From a personal perspective, I found the Wells Fargo Reflect Card to be a standout option for managing existing debt. The 0% introductory APR for up to 21 months on both balance transfers and purchases is one of the longest offers available in the market. This makes it a great tool for those looking to consolidate high-interest credit card debt without accruing interest for almost 2 years. However, it's important to note that there is a 5% balance transfer fee or $5 minimum, which can add up if you're planning to transfer a significant balance. Additionally, there's no annual fee, which makes it an attractive option for people who don't want to pay just to hold a card. Plus, it also offers a cell phone protection feature. So, you get up to $600 in coverage against theft or damage when you pay your phone bill with this card, although it does come with a $25 deductible. This could be a nice perk if you tend to be a bit rough on your devices. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, if you're someone who loves racking up rewards, you might be disappointed because the Wells Fargo Reflect Card doesn't offer any rewards program. There's no cashback or points on your purchases, which is a notable drawback compared to other cards in the same category. So if earning rewards is important to you, this card might not be the best fit. Additionally, you should be aware of the 3% foreign transaction fee if you plan on using this card while traveling internationally. Overall, the Wells Fargo Reflect Card is a solid choice for anyone looking to tackle their debt with a long interest-free period. However, the lack of rewards and a somewhat high balance transfer fee might make you think twice before committing. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.